world can be a storm outside, but here the wind slows down. Every fear I try to hide can't reach this ground. Your voice is a quiet harbor, your hand a steady guide. Somewhere I don't have to run, somewhere I can stay inside. No rushing, no breaking apart, just the rhythm of an open heart. A tender place to land, where I don't have to fight, where the quiet holds me close and the shadows feel light. No loud words, no heavy demand, just the space to understand. This is my tender place to land. Or pull, it just stays a while. Every corner of this piece carries the simplest smile. No walls, no masks, no pretend, just a place where hearts can mend. A tender place to land, where I can finally rest, doesn't ask too much, and I can be my best. No grand gestures, no big command, just a touch, a look, a hand. This is my tender place to land. If the world ever feels too strong and the road turns long and gray, I'll remember this quiet space where I can simply stay. A tender place to land, safe beneath your gaze, where the heart learns how to breathe and the soul finds its ways. No hurry, no fear, no reprimand, just warmth I can understand. This is my tender place to land. Here I'll stay, I understand. I found my tender place to land. Somehow, when you're around, like the walls learn how to listen and the noise calmed down. Every thought was racing, now it's falling in line. The world doesn't feel so heavy when your hand finds mine. No pressure in the silence we keep, just a rhythm I don't have to fight or beat. It's easy breathing next to you, like I finally slow my mind. Every worry fades a little, every moment feels kind. I don't need the perfect words or reason to stay. It's easy breathing next lights hung outside like they're in on the truth. That peace can feel this natural when I'm close to you. We don't fill every second with something to say. Some connections feel strongest when they're quiet that way. No fear hiding in between, just a comfort I didn't know I needed. It's easy breathing next to you, like the air knows my name. Every heartbeat finds its place, nothing feels out of frame. I don't need the future mapped or the past to explain. It's easy breathing next to you, and that's more than enough for me. If the world starts spinning fast and the nights feel long and loud, I'll remember how it feels when everything slows down. It's easy breathing next to you, even when the lights are low. Like my chest remembers how to rise and fall on its own. No big promises to prove, no lines I have to choose. It's easy breathing next to you, and I don't wanna lose that truth. Right here, nothing to do, just easy breathing next to you. The room feels lighter somehow when you're around. Like the walls learned how to listen and the noise calmed down. Every thought was racing, now it's falling in line. The world doesn't feel so heavy when your hand finds mine. No pressure in the silence we keep, just a rhythm I don't have to fight or beat.